He might not prevent people from throwing you into the lion's den, but rest assured, uzokwazi to tame those lions. uNkulunkulu kungathi sabathi kuphelile ngawe, akuyeke kuze kufike ilanga lesine manje sebethi bakungcwabile uze unephunga, but afike enze imanga empilweni yakho, akufune at your lowest, akufune where you are most hurt, where you feel most broken, like ubone ukuthi there is just no restoration. Afike uNkulunkulu, kimi uNkulunkulu akafike hamba yedwa, kodwa njengomntwana wabantu abadala ngikholwa ukuthi kuko konke nabo abogogo nabomkhulu, nayo yonke imimoya yokukhanya, yobuhle, yengazimulo, imimoya yothando ihlali nawe. Abakushiya abantu abadala sekunzima, especially to abantwana bebedlozi, abantwana that have to go through initiations, any type, any kind, whether it's at home, whether it's somewhere else. Kuhamba kubenzima uma ukhuliswa, and rest assured abakushiyi. Yebo mhlambe kungabonakala kanjalo, but sometimes siyachela thina kubo, but basithanda ngendlela eyisimangaliso, banathi ngaso sonke isikhathi ngendlela eyisimangaliso, bakukhumbuza who you really are, sometimes by allowing izinto ezinzima ukuthi zifike, izimo ezinzima zifike empilweni yakho, ukuze bakubonise ukuthi ungadlula, ngoba because of who you are. It's not about arrogance, it's not about being pompous, it's not about, kodwa it's about really knowing what you embody, who you embody, the principles, what you stand for, what you believe in, the core of who you are, the core of who your people are. Uzovuselani, uzovuselelani, uzophakamisani. What is it really that you embody? And sometimes kufanele, it's necessary, kuyafanele ukuthi ulingwe, kuyafanele ukuthi udlule ebunzimeni, kuyafanele ukuthi uthelwe ngenhlamba, kuyafanele ukuthi ujivazwe, kuyafanele ukuthi zikunethe, kuyafanele ukuthi uwe, kuyafanele ukuthi uhuzuke, kuyafanele ukuthi ulimale, kuyafanele ukuthi uzithole in embarrassing situations, kuyafanele ukuthi uthukwe, ukuze uzozazi ukuthi ubani futhi nokuthi uhamba nabo bani, uzowabona amandla kaNkulunkulu, ngoba ngeke sakwazi ukukhanya singadlulanga ebumnyameni, ngeke sayazi injabulo singadlulanga ekukhaleni noma usizini. And ngathi singangena kunyaka omusha sinothando, showing more kindness to each other as abantu, because everybody is really going through some kind of a struggle, seen or unseen. See, practice more kindness and more love towards each other and forgiveness. Accept more, be really abantu abamukelayo nabantu abadlulisayo, be abantu who really open their hearts to what life is, ukuze sizophila, sibuzwe nobumnandi bokuphila, asithi singasho ukuthi ngeke kube nenkinga, but be able to bless your life every day, every morning. The biggest lessons I've learned this year led me to that, to that realization.